How dire is it right now in the dairy business?
Well, the last couple of years have been a bit difficult from a financial situation for the dairy farmers. Certainly hardworking every day, taking care of their animals, taking care of their land, taking care of their resources, but finding a marketplace that is just not really rewarding that hard work. And the supply that's weighing on the market has been really challenging. And in our case, some consolidations and some supply challenges really kind of knocked us out of having an access point to even sell the milk that we produced, and that really ushered in our exit out of the dairy industry.
You know, you go to the store and it used to be, you know your brand of milk, and now, of course, you go in and there's maybe the store brand of milk, Kroger or whatever the grocery store may be. They've got their own milk. Now, it's not just milk, Joe. Obviously, every pretty much commodity product has gone the way of store brands. How much has that changed the game for farmers?
Well, I think the store brand idea has been around for quite some time, and in some cases, it's a private label that the stores will use, and it may be an underlying name brand that you're very familiar with that just puts it in the store brand package. That's been an opportunity to be at a different price point or meet a different customer segment. It's been an opportunity for groceries under extreme, slim margins to be able to find ways to add to their bottom line. And I think that continues as we see specialty food markets open, not only in dairy, but across vegetables and meats and the rest, with some of the store branded type items that can really segment that market and accommodate the differing interests of their consumer.
You know, we saw the graphic, Joe, that your family farm was on land that I guess you got or bought from President Martin Van Buren, little-known Van Buren. If you had now the president, of course, the current president, by the way, got into a trade spat regarding dairy, maybe as a thank you to Wisconsin for helping deliver the election to him. If you could have a word with the current president, what would you ask him? What does the industry need now?
Well, I think as we look at business, at agriculture, trade is incredibly important, as the president knows. Certainly, the production and the ability of American farmers to take care of the land, manage their resources, work on farms that have been in family for generations or just for one, that access to market, the ability for us to utilize these resources that we've been blessed with here in this country to provide the kinds of fuel, feed, food, and fiber for the world, incredibly important. And I think everyone is aware of that. It's just a matter of really trying to match up the ability of our farmers to produce and the ways we have access to markets both here and around the world. Just a challenging time when we throw in pandemics, trade barriers, other issues that become challenging for the American farmer. But resilience, I think, exists despite changes that happen on my farm and others as we go through this time. But I'm hopeful for the future.